Is here. It's Friday, February 5th, 2010. We just had a fantastic show with Dionise.
We did, man, yeah.
And
Kenny Robinson
and Sharon Osbourne. That's the real Sharon Osbourne.
It was. The real Sharon Osbourne was here.
And yeah.
But, okay, well, I'm not telling you.
She likes the Stones better than Ozzy, though. But
yeah, well, that's, I
don't know.
That's a given.
Now, also, we got Jay's show is going to be huge today.
Do we know who's on Jay's show? It's always huge.
Yeah.
So I mean, yeah, that's another given.
I don't even know who's on our show.
It's okay. I did a little bit of snooping on your on the site.
Okay,
I think we're good.
Before we get to that, now it's been a while since you've been.
It's been almost a month, man. Yeah.
And you went down and were.
I was hanging out in Venezuela.
Now, what did you tell Hugo Chavez?
Well, you know what? We had a meeting.
Yeah.
It was brief.
Yeah.
But I told him his coup from years ago.
Right.
He's got to quit celebrating the fact that he failed it.
He failed it?
He failed a military coup, yeah. But they celebrate this thing every year. It's really, well, it's socialism at work, buddy. He's devalued the dollar. I mean, it's a real mess down there.
Is it a mess?
Yeah,
I thought he was doing good for the people.
Sure. You know, in theory, on paper, but in a capitalist world that we live in, it just doesn't work.
Unless you've got oil, which he
does,
have.
And he sells it for 6 cents a liter. We filled up, my ex-business partner lives down there. He married a Venezuelan woman. We filled up his car for 50 cents Canadian. Yeah, and he gave her $2. Keep the change, millionaire. It's 8. Wow. I think this week it's 8-1 their dollar.
Now, didn't Trudeau try to do that?
Yeah.
The National Energy Plan.
Yeah, he did. I know he was working on it.
Alberta vetoed that one.
Well, I know that's too bad because we would have cheap gas right now.
Gas paid for by the taxpayers.
By the taxpayers,
because I think that oil sands oil is still. Costs more to make than
it does.
Then
it does.
on the market.
I know, it's ridiculous. But you know what? It was fun. I just hung out on the beach and hung out by the pool and toured around the island and had a good 2 weeks relaxing.
Well, you know, it's interesting because the Hugo Chavez thing is really a big. It's like there's rumors that the U.S. is going to go to war with Venezuela even because
and Colombia right now. So there's a big kerfuffle
weren't they
going
fighting?
On there. Yeah,
Venezuela and Colombia.
Yeah, exactly.
It's probably U.S. adjutants in Colombia.
And then
trying to protect the cocaine crop.
Absolutely, it's a big money maker. And then of course they have the Russians backing Hugo, and so they brought in a bunch of tanks but still no match for the American hardware.
But I'm just curious, what is Hugo, like, what's the word on the street in Venezuela? Are the people happy with Chavez?
Yeah, there's a lot of Chavistas down there, and they follow the party line, and they're behind it. And then there's a lot of people that think that he's ruining the place. He's got rolling blackouts on electricity, and
well, I thought Enron was out of business.
Yeah, I know. Well, they found a new sponsor down south. But it's a fairly impoverished place, but it's beautiful. Beats Toronto in January, doesn't it? Yeah, it does.
You tell me.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you.
I'll tell you. I could tell you about Toronto, but you can tell me about Venezuela.
Well, I heard while I was away there was a big rash of jaywalking deaths.
Yes. Well, the conspiracy theorists.
Oh, there's this theory. Good. What is
the theory about that is that because the New World Order, of course, wants to control everything.
Right.
So they've installed the cameras on every corner. Right? So what this is just a ploy to get people to cross at the corner so that they can keep their eyes on us.
Interesting. Yeah.
See? Makes sense, doesn't it?
It does. Sadly, it does make sense in that brain and mine. Yeah, sure. Okay. So everybody's crossing to the corners. We can get a facial recognition, stamp them, and find out where they are, what they do.
If you need to get rid of the person, you just blow up their cell phone.
Wow.
Right?
You've just got this whole thing mapped out.
You can do it from that one chair.
Yeah. You don't even have to get up and leave your room. You can kill people from the comfort of your own living room.
And make it a comfortable chair.
Because, killing's hard business.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have we killed this conversation yet?
Let's move along,
shall we? Let's do that, shall we? We got a big
we have a huge show.
Yeah, man.
We got Nick Beat coming on.
Yeah.
Nick Beat, of course, he's a very well-known Toronto poet. musician.
DJ, yeah.
Does a lot of stuff. He's
Yeah.
on 89.5.
Toronto University.
I was on his show, you know.
Oh, were you?
Yeah.
So you guys are trading back on shows.
Yeah. He
Okay.
used to write for Transform, as you know.
That's right. Whom you used to be the editor-in-chief at
Yeah.
large. And who else do we have?
We have Triumphant Music.
Triumphant Music. And they're calling in, aren't they?
They're calling in.
Okay.
Where are they from? The U.S., Nikki? They're a Christian music recording label.
They're a label, absolutely, and they do a lot of rap, reggae.
Do
Christian,
they?
Yeah,
Rap?
Yeah.
Christian rap.
Christian rap, man.
Okay, and then we have Stoneface.
Stoneface
Now,
from Cornwall.
You did a lot of research on this. Now they're either from Cornwall, Ontario.
Yeah, or England.
Cornwall,
and I'm going for England. You know,
It's
just
more
'cause
exotic.
It's more exotic.
They even-
And I think these guys have been around for a while, and they've worked with a lot of big names. And of course, we'll talk to them about that. But they're electronic, fusion, jazz, free jazz, stuff like that.
Yeah.
And so yeah, we're looking forward to having them on too.
You ever been to Cornwall, Ontario?
And that's why I'm hoping it's Cornwall, England. Change one letter and you got a whole new city. Okay.
Which letter?
Well, a couple of letters actually. Hall becomes whole, and then there you go.
Well, we're going to start off the show, talk about rap. Well, I don't know if it's rap. I don't know. We got Mask down here and C, and we're going to play a video from them right now, and then we're going to come back and we're going to chat with them, and we're going to get a live performance, and it's going to be fantastic. So it's Friday, Liquid Lunch. Stu, it's great to have you back.
Thanks, buddy. It's great to be here.
Okay, let's do this, and we'll be back with Mask down right after this.
Yeah, these niggas don't know me, man. These niggas don't know how we do. We're gonna show these niggas how we do in the T-Dot. You know what I'm saying, nigga? The hot block, the hot spot, nigga. Real hitters, masked up for real hitters. Cop squillers, the block got everything, believe us. Weed smokers, waistline, the cat told us. Ghetto gangsters, doing the shit the OGs taught us. Simple facts, fuck around, we gun clad. Walk strap in the city, where these crooks at. We don't swing bats, boss black things, they hit fast. You don't want to clash, I ain't talking about dance locks hurt. No warning shots or mosh burns. Hit your face, clap on the sidewalk, clap in the parking lot, clap on your steering wheel while you drive your car. Yeah, nigga got you scoped out from fall. Move in silence, camouflage your night game. Life ain't fair, that's why we doing dirt while we here. No one gets spared, taking over the game like the Montana. Leave your bloody Scarface wrapped in bandana. Yo, nigga, where do you live? I live where it's T-Dot, niggas too big. Yo, nigga, where do you ride? I ride on these grimy ass streets at night. Yo, nigga, what turn you with? Fuck you, I ain't betting on my shit. Yo, nigga, what do you hold? I'm holding your life in my hand of control. This ain't no hide and seek, this is search and leak. Find your body in a ditch or by Pioneer Creek. There ain't no coming back, got to gas or blast back. Give you heart attack like my name was John Candy. My march in a position to bust in a frenzy. Who your friends be? Track stores are run when I empty. Put your lights up, gloves off, or fights out. Nigga like me, shadow creeping the crime scout. I don't flip birds, this ain't American stand. I stack food like your fucking grocer, man. You might as well call me the Dapper Dawn, cause when I'm done busting off, your head'll be done, Dapper gone. Yo, nigga, where do you live? I live where it's T-Dot, niggas too big. Yo, nigga, where do you ride? I ride on these grimy ass streets at night. Yo, nigga, what turn you with? Fuck you, I ain't betting on my shit. Yo, nigga, what do you hold? I'm holding your life in my hand of control.
Yeah. Nighttime, nigga. Our time, nigga. Double S. Eyes wide open.
We all
All right. Uh-oh. Sharon Osbourne's going for a bag of those chips, Stu.
Oh man,
You
Sharon.
got to be careful. Well, I'll tell you one thing. There's a positive side, 0 trans fats, but there is a negative
there's
side.
a downside.
You'll
to
find
it.
out later.
Yeah. Well, there's some leaking, but what?
Nothing?
Nothing. I didn't say a word.
Okay,
Yeah, we're not going to touch that.
no. Mass Down's here. Mass Down and C. That was their video, and welcome, guys.
Hello, welcome.
Okay.